Hi student, I am S. Tiwari, SSC teacher, and today in the 9th class video lecture in the political science, our lesson is what democracy and why democracy, and this is our second lecture. Today we will discuss the one very important topic. It is the need to define democracy. Why do we have need to define the democracy? So there is a debate between the Madam Ling Dohe and Mary Ribang and Yolanda, and these students they are discussing with their teacher about the definition, and their main questions are why do we have need the democracy definitions if it is changing with the times, so there is the need to change the definition of democracy, and it is very important. This is told by the Mary and the Madam Ling Doho. So we will go through the proper debate. So we have some conclusion after the debate, and let's we see the we'll say a debate conclusion. Means we use the goods because we know their clear definition. Means as know very well that pen, sharpener, the pencil, because we know very well their definition in our mind. So obviously we will use the right time, and the use of the pen will be used only by the pen, not by the pencil, because their definition tell us that pencil will not work in place of pen. And second thing is that second conclusion, clear definition avoid the misuse of the things and the democracy also, because when we have the clear definition in our mind, so obviously we will not go through the other things. So it is very important, and some people in the world they just pretend to have the democracy in their country, but actually they are not having the democracy. They are just pretending it. Means they are just making the fool their people, and they are just telling them that they are having the democracy, but actually we can better understand with this word. Suppose the rain means the kind of precipitation, and this is a precipitation process in the geography. When we use the thunderstorms in place of rain, obviously the meaning will be not set in the rain. If we use the meaning of a thunderstorm, obviously the democracy is the meaning. We will go through the proper definition which was told by the Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the USA. So he told that democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. He is telling that democracy is the people, for the people, and of the people. So why do we have need the change of the definition? So we have the two more conclusion. This definition is accepted everywhere. Why do we need change it? Means if it is accepted everywhere, so why do we have change it? So accept something just because everyone accept it, not famous, because everyone accept it, that's why we have accept it also. Otherwise anything which is very famous, and why do we accept it? Because just it is famous. This is not the very accurate things, because if the things are very famous in the entire world and we have taken the decision to accept it, it is a wrong decision. Means where there is a, you will say, opinion of the people with the proportion of the, you will say, one thing, say one system, then we should go with the same thing. Otherwise we should avoid it, we should object it. Second thing is that democratia, it is a Latin word where the meaning is the people's rule, and people's rule where we will go with the origin word, their meaning was different when they were started in the beginning time. As we use their meaning with the changing of time, their, I will say, way of use will be changed also. If we will take the example of computer where the origin meaning of the computer was to calculate or to compute, but how many people are using the computer for these two functions, means to compute and to calculate? Anyone is not using the computer for these two tasks, compute or calculate. Even computer is used for designing, for making the videos, for making the seminars, for doing something, the, you will say, many of the other tasks the computer is used. So the same thing which we have seen that word remain same, but their meaning can be changed with the time, and many things we should accept it because they are changes with the times, because time has been changed also. Obviously the way of use the things will be also changed. So democracy is a pattern of the government, it is a system of government where the people's rule in the democracy. But many countries in the world where they are just showing that they are having the democracy, actually they have not the democracy, such as China and many countries in the, will say, lesson if you have studied in the old books where the China and Poland, where their rulers have shown that they are just having the democracy, but actually they have not the democracy. So obviously we should use the democracy, but very carefully. Okay student, thank you for listening me.